Hello, sister. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Woman of God.
Hi.
Bless you.
You too.
I saw you walking just as soon as we shared the grace, and I didn't want to miss you. I'm so sorry for having to stop you the way I stopped you.
Okay.
Okay,
No problem.
but I have a message from the Lord for you.
Okay.
Or maybe for me as well.
Okay.
Okay. You see, as we were praying, as the worship was going on, I saw a vision. The Lord opened my eyes and I saw a vision.
Okay.
And in that vision, I saw you. Very strange. I saw you and I said, Lord, what are you trying to show me? And you were in white, pure white, just looking like an angel. And I said, wow, okay. I said, okay, Lord, what are you trying to say? Because I couldn't make sense of what I was seeing. And as we went further in the vision, I saw you walking. You were walking towards the altar. And you were walking, and someone was walking behind you. And then I noticed you were wearing a wedding dress, because the dress was quite long. And you were walking towards the altar. And I said, okay, Lord, what are you trying to show me? And all of a sudden, at the altar was the groom. And to my surprise, I was the groom. So I was the groom and I said, Lord, what are you trying to say? I've noticed you and I've seen you a few times, but I never knew that the Lord had any plans. And I said, Lord, what are you trying to say? And God said to me, that is your wife. Very strange, I know it's very strange. But at this stage that we are in, I believe you're a believer and you're a good Christian. And that is why God showed me a vision of you. Okay, so we'd probably need to pray a little bit more about it. But at the end of the day, God has spoken. And if God has spoken, who am I? You know, I just have to obey. Okay, so we're going to obey God. You're very beautiful. Okay, although your makeup is a little bit too much.
Okay.
So we'll work on that. You know, your makeup and your dress is a little bit too tight.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yes. As a woman of God, and you know I'm a man of God. Okay, but we would talk about that. We'll work it all out. Okay. Sorry, my name is Brother James. Okay. Let me just get your number so that I can, you know, quickly call you later on during the week. Okay. Hope the service was good. Hello, sister. Hello, beautiful.
Wait. Okay. Can I help you?
I was calling you from way back.
Okay. Does that mean you have to put your hands on me?
How you doing though? How you doing?
I'm fine. Can I help you?
You know, I couldn't help but notice you during the service. You're quite pretty.
Thank you.
You know, and I must say you're quite endowed in the right place.
Excuse me?
Come on, I'm just being real.
Eh.
I couldn't help, you were dancing and everything was just moving and swaying.
Okay, let me stop you there. We are in church. We were in church.
I know
Why
we're
are
in church.
you looking at what is moving, swaying?
I mean, we have eyes to look. Look, you see, I'm not one of those men that come here and to act or preach. I'm telling you, I'm feeling you.
And I'm not one of those girls that drop at the sight of a man, okay? That's not the way you approach a lady. It really isn't, and you're in my personal space.
Did you just push me?
Yes, there's a boundary between us. Please don't cross it.
Okay, let's start again. Okay, so I am James.
You are rude.
I am James, but you can just call me Jamie. You're pretty, and I'm sure you know that, and I'm sure you've heard that a few times. Okay, just wondering if I could, if we could just get to know each other.
No, we can't.
A bit better.
And my face is here, not here. We can't get to know each other.
Really?
I'm sorry, Mr. James, I'm not interested.
Jamie.
Mr. Jamie, whatever, I'm not interested.
At least give your brother your number.
No, definitely not. I'm not interested.
It's not like I'm interested in you anyway. You're not even all that, to be honest. But I just thought I'd sing your praises a little and make you feel better about yourself, because it looks like you need a bit more self-esteem. So if you'll excuse me,